Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome back to another episode here as we take on the Rockies here in Game 2 of this opening weekend series. We won 2-1 in the opening day. We're now 1-1 in opening day on this series. So we look to take advantage, win this series, go up in first place in the division early on. Antonio Zenzatella making his first appearance. 32 starts last year, 14-15 record with a 4.26 ERA. Wasn't too bad, but we definitely had his number last year. Jake McCarthy with the walk, Varsho with the 1-2 count. And he grounds out to first, but McCarthy advances to second. So we got McCarthy the speed threat with a chance and running scoring position here. With his speed, it's always a chance to score. Rojas, hard hit. That one is caught by left field. Can't drop in time. 2 down now here, top of the first. Richard playing left field today. 3-1 count for Sano. He just gets on top of one. Unfortunate there. That one looked like it would be dangerous. That will end the first. Yeah, Madison Baumgartner taking the mound. 33 starts last year, 12-9 record, 2.55 ERA, 219 innings, whip of 1.04 with 155 strikeouts and 54 walks. Madison Baumgartner definitely on his way to be a Hall of Fame career. Trying to edge his way further into that form. Tara Hampson leading off again for the Rockies. 0-2 count for Hampson. And he's down on a nasty cutter from Madison Bumgarner, striking out the first batter of the year he sees. Taking another look at that one. Hampson, no chance. Oof, perfect spot for that cutter. 1-0 count now for Mr. Charlie Blackmon. Rojas, diving attempt, who's now playing shortstop with that Perdomo injury. Buddy Kennedy playing second. Chris Bryant. Seth Beer for 1. Back to 2, Seth Beer. Nice double play. Playing first base there. One of the harder double plays to do for a first baseman. Makes it look easy. Only one hit for the Rockies through 1. Top second we come. Carson Kelly. Looking for an opportunity here to take advantage of playing at Coors Field. Coming off a fresh contract extension, but that's a hand and curveball. That one's hit deep. That one is gone. Carson Kelly smokes that curveball for his first home run of the year, 370 feet. Luckily, that one is smoked. Don't know what he was thinking. Anthony Davis making his debut for the Pirates here. But man, oh man. See ya. Says Beer full count, just gets on top of a slider. Timed that one up good, but couldn't make enough contact with it. Aquino. We're hoping he can be a 20 to 30 home run hitter for us. It's a 2-0 count there. Next pitch up, he hits that one right on the money in the gap. Hits the wall, and that is a double now for Aquino. If he can hit the ball, he does hit it hard. Next up, Buddy Kennedy draws a walk. 1-2 count for Josh Van Meter now. 2-1, 1 out, 1 in. And a nasty changeup gets him striking out. Jake McCarthy full count now. And he draws a walk. Bases are now loaded for Dalton Varsho. The Varsho. Gonna do some damage. And he just gets under a slider. So that one's hit hard, but not deep enough. Flies out with bases loaded. Carson Kelly with a home run, though. Full count for Jesus Aguilar. He gets jammed, but that one drops just in front of our show for a leadoff single. Aguilar almost running too fast. Strips over first base. And that one is gone. Madison Bumgarner gets taken deep. Doesn't happen often, but CJ Crone, 406 feet, 105 miles an hour. Smokes that one. 2-1 Rockies. 0-1 count now, Randall Grichuk with no out. He just gets under one. Varsho is there to make the play. 1 out now after that CJ Crone moonshot. Brendan Rodgers. He's first pitch swinging. Seth Baer tries a diving attempt. But can't knock that one down. It's another single for the Rockies. 0-2 count now. Sam Hilliard, lefty on lefty, striking out on a sweeping curve from Bumgarner. 1-0 count to Diaz with one on. That one is off the wall. That one is smoked. Varsho gets it back in quickly. And he's safe at second. And on second and third now. Rough second inning for the Diamondbacks pitcher as he walks. Garrett Hampson, bases now loaded. Charlie Blackman on deck. Up next, and he gets one. But Aquino, what a play! What a diving play. Man, oh man. Bases loaded. He saves at least 2 runs. That's the catch of the year so far for us. Might be for the whole entire year already. Wow. Bases loaded. Full count now. That one smoked over the second baseman, Rojas. That one goes to the wall as Blackman falls. Rojas gets a leadoff double. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Sano, selected to make his mark. Takes a walk, showing some patience. Nice to see the big man taking some walks. Carson Kelly 1 for 1. Looking for an opportunity to blow this game wide open with 2 men on base. Takes the first pitch, 1-0 count. On opening day, he went 1 for 4 with the double. It's already matched his hit total. But make that one 2 home runs. Carson Kelly, have yourself a day. 3-run home run. Smokes another hand and ball. Sensatella, what are you doing? Do you know who you're pitching to? We'll see ya. Carson Kelly, having himself a day. Our MVP for offense last year, pitching off where he started. Smoked that one. One curves just behind the foul pole. 3-0 count now for Seth Beer. And he takes a walk. Sensatella already at 67 pitches. Aquino smokes one. That one is one hopping off the wall. Seth Beer trying to go for home. Aquino trying for third. And Aquino gets a triple. An RBI triple from Aquino. He's having himself a day as well. Jake McCarthy now. After a sac fly brings in Aquino, McCarthy grands out to end the third. 6-2 through 3. Halfway through 3, I should say. So offense starting to pitch it up here in Coors Field. Bryant, Aguilar, and Crone are next up. 1-2 count for Bryant. Mad Bum. Broken bat. That one's flying. Bryant is down. Man, oh man, that bat went further than the ball. 3-1 count now to CJ Crone. Homered his last at bat. Seth Beer tries a dive and stop. But that one is going all the way to the wall. Varsho trying to get back in quickly. That's a 2-out double for Crone. Next pitcher up, Randall Grichuk. 1-1 count. Gets on top of it. Rojas can't get it, and his glove just knocks it down. Brendan Rodgers now 1-2 count. And he pops it up. Carson Kelly's like, I got it. Mine. Alright. 6-2 for your Rockies. Diamondbacks against the Rockies through 3. Robert Stevenson coming in now early. 44 games last year with a 3.97 ERA. The whip of 1.3. 56 strikeouts to 16 walks. Seeing if he can work a couple innings here for the Rockies. Dalton Varsho 0 for 2 on the day so far. Looking for to make something happen.
Mm-hmm.